Umar Riaz and I are back to discuss reforming, specifically primary reforming. Hi, Umar.
Hi, Karen. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining and helping me through this primary or reforming series that we're doing. This is the second video. So last week we discussed kind of the basics, what reforming is, and the need for heat input because the reaction is highly endothermic. So let's talk a little bit more about different reformer designs. Maybe we'll start with the first one, maybe like the most common one that you see as far as primary reformer burner configuration.
Yeah. So, Karen, reformer design is basically depending upon the type of burners and their configuration and their orientation. And this majorly impact the thermal efficiency, maintenance, and overall plant layout. So the most common one, what we see in the industry is top-fired reformers. Okay, and in top-fired reformer, the burners are located right at the top of furnace, and they are firing vertically downward with catalysts, multiple rows of tubes vertically aligned with filled with catalyst. And some common licensor who provide this type of design is Gabia, Air Liquide, and Technip. And the other types are also based on the configuration of burners, like if they are side fired or terrace walled. So we will discuss later on in next week. Yeah.
Yes, and each different configuration has different pros and cons. So some pros of this type are a simpler layout, easy burner access for maintenance, and a well-established design for large capacity plants. One potential con is that they could be a slightly lower heat transfer efficiency compared to side-fired, but this is something that would be looked at during the preliminary design and evaluated. Next week, let's continue, if you're open to it, to discuss more primary reformer types.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Well, have a great day.